musculocutaneous nerve is actually the main nerve of the front of arm, which means that it supplies the muscles of front of arm, and its root value is from C5 to C7, and that's an important point, you have to remember it. It originates from the lateral cord of brachial plexus, and I have already made a video on the brachial plexus, you can check it in the description. So its origin is from the lateral cord of brachial plexus, and it terminates by continuing as the lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm, which means that it supplies the skin of the lateral side of the forearm. So let's deal with the course of this nerve with the help of this diagram. Here I have drawn an imaginary axilla and this muscle, that is your pectoralis minor muscle. This is your lateral cord of brachial plexus, and you can see that this nerve, that is your musculocutaneous nerve, is actually originating from the lower part of the axilla and opposite to the lower border of the pectoralis minor muscle. It enters the arm by piercing this muscle, that is your coracobrachialis muscle, and it runs downward and laterally between the brachialis muscle and your biceps brachii muscle. So here this nerve is moving downward and laterally, finally it reaches the tendon of biceps brachii muscle on the lateral side, and about 2 cm above the bend of elbow it terminates by continuing as the lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm. So now let's deal with the branches of this musculocutaneous nerve. So first you have your muscular branches, and I have already told that it supplies the muscles of the front of arm. So you have your muscles, that is your coracobrachialis, your long and short head of biceps brachii muscle, and your brachialis muscle. Its cutaneous branch, you know that it continues as the lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm. So it supplies the skin of the lateral side of the anterior and posterior aspect of the forearm, and as well as the ball of the thumb. Its articular branches, it supplies elbow joint, it gives an articular branch to the elbow joint as well as to the shoulder joint. Now come to the communicating branches. So the lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm, it actually communicates with the posterior cutaneous nerve of the forearm, and also with a superficial branch of the radial nerve, and with the palmar cutaneous branch of median nerve. So it communicates with the branches of radial nerve and the median nerve, and also with the posterior cutaneous nerve of the forearm. So here we have all about the musculocutaneous nerve. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.